Welcome back to Breaking Waves. It's mid-February in this episode, and we are in Banderas Bay, Mexico, catching up on some sleep and boat jobs after sailing all the way down from Canada. Our dream had always been to combine surfing and sailing. So 4 years ago, we bought our 41-foot sailboat, taught ourselves to sail in some of the trickiest waters in Canada, and restored the boat to her former beautiful circumnavigating self.
Our first offshore passage!
6 months ago, we head offshore and are finally living our dream. We couldn't afford to quit our jobs, so we took them with us, working remotely as we go with the addition of Starlink. But this weekend, we are putting the screens away to get back in the water and have some fun.
Morning, everybody. Early start to the day. Sunrise, just coming over the mountains of Puerto Vallarta here. And I got up early and raised the hook and heading up to Puerto Vallarta again. And we're hoping to get back into like surfing, spearing mode for a couple of days. We're excited to just have a weekend of good old-fashioned boat life and not staring at a laptop screen all day. Ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. I've had 2 coffees already. The sun's not even up. What kind of fucking crazy guy am I?
One of the really great things about staying still long enough is that we can get mail. It's the little things in life. I don't even know what these are. Wow! Sweet! This is our new drone that takes off and lands on water. Fully 100% waterproof. I am so excited to not ruin this one. Where's some wood? I need to knock on wood. This way. Oh shit, it's big. Cool. Camera is in the bottom of it, similar to most drones. So if you land it on water, you can actually film underwater. It smells good. Look, their lenses for the drone. Oh, my little filming heart has just grown 3 sizes. The drone couldn't have come at a better time, as today we were planning on heading out of the bay to a spot around the corner that I had heard could have some good spearfishing.
Yeah, we just took off from the water. can actually just like enjoy this here now and not worry about the battery that much and just get the shots, you know? In low battery, return to home mode, which was return to the controller on the boat mode.
Which was moving.
Yeah, and there's no way I was gonna be able to stop it from like running into rigging or something, so I just took it straight down into the water.
He whipped it at the ground, or at the ocean, and it landed and then flipped, so it's now floating upside down in the ocean. Also, there's apparently a feature, Ben was telling me, that if it does land upside down in the water, you can actually flip it back right up. So it's nice. There's no anxiety flying it. The main beach was big with white sand and beautiful homes lined up against it. But there were many smaller, more private beaches scattered along the coast that were only accessible by boat. While I gathered the gear, Ben braved the shore break on her stand-up paddleboard in an attempt to get Bruce to land.
I don't know, buddy, what do you think? Looks like we're in for a bit of a shore break landing here. You ready for it? Of course you are. You're the super towel crowd. I'll do my best to film this, guys. I don't know, I got a lot of balls in the air here, but let's see what I can do. Doesn't look too bad, Bruce, a bit. Woo! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go get it! You did it, buddy. You did it. You made it. Ready? All right, mission accomplished. Did it. We had a nice little poo break. Bruce got swamped by the shore break, but he survived. Allie's just getting us ready to go for a little spear-mish, just up the point there. Looks like a good spot, maybe. Lovely beach. Really like the beach here. I'm not sure if there's like a restaurant or something. That'd be kind of nice, but it looks mostly to be, mostly to be like houses.
This is where rich people live, apparently.
Yeah, rich people houses. Luckily for us, though, the sea is our restaurant today, if we are successful in spearing a fish. And I've been really craving a beach fire lately, and it looks like this might be a good spot for a beach fire, too. So, yeah, could be a good spot to be. Yeah, let's get some shots of getting in. Allie's gonna hop in first, and hopefully we can have a little fish fry tonight. That'd be sweet.
Fish fry!
I'm just kind of looking forward to just spending time on the beach, to be honest.
How cool! We found this little private beach, and we're gonna try. This is where I'm gonna try a spear or something. I feel positive about it. The visibility is really clear, and on the way here we saw a fish jump, so I'm feeling pretty positive. Maybe I'll get like a real size fish, and then hopefully we can fry it up on a fire. Oh god, I haven't had a fire in so long.
Right, Scuba Steve, I didn't bring any food. Well, I brought potatoes and salad, but we need fish.
No pressure.
Bruce, come here, buddy. Come on, let's go.
The water here was so clear, it seems like a prime spearing location.
What a lovely beach. Hoping Allie can get us some fish. Doesn't look like she's had any luck yet. That's a great spot to have a fire. Lots of good dry firewood around. Super soft sand. Magical.
Meanwhile, this is how it was going for me.
Update looks like so far no success. I was going out for her third attempt. Hope she gets one. I don't really want to go. I kind of want to start making the fire so that we can eat her delicious fish that she catches, but I don't know. She's not looking super confident at the moment, so let's hope she gets one. Where'd you go, buddy? Where's down? You smell her?
I tried for hours, but to no avail, until a boat joined us and I didn't feel like sharing the water with a propeller.
That sucks.
You can still go. I just didn't want to get hit by it.
I didn't want to get hit by it either. Got a little snapper.
I decided to tend to the fire while Ben tried his hand at a fish. And in true Benjamin fashion, he didn't even have time to load the gun correctly before popping us a black-sided triggerfish. So, I have no excuses.
So I got this little guy. Should be all right with some butter and garlic and salt, like most things are.
Now, I wish nothing more than to be able to tell you that we had a delicious fish cooked on the fire that evening. But it was just not in the cards for Breaking Waves, because while we were monitoring the fire, we were robbed. Okay, that was maybe a tad dramatic, but a frigate bird swooped down and stole our fillets.
Oh, good. Oh, I dropped it. The other guy got it. Whoa.
Frigate 1, Ben and Allie 0.
Good job. Oh, I dropped it. The other guy got it. Whoa.
Nevertheless, we had a great evening, enjoying the fire, watching the sun go down, with good company and an even greater story to tell tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode with us. While you're here, why not check out our last week's video, which is all about considering a catamaran over a monohull. And if you love Breaking Waves, why not head over to Patreon to support the channel. Thanks, and see you next week.